Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Gidma Soni. Here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Trojan horse method, a clever way to combat malarial parasite. In a recent research published in EM Biomolecular Medicine, scientists have created a Trojan horse method that deceives malaria parasites into consuming a lethal dose of medication by capitalizing on their dependence on cholesterol for survival. By attaching cholesterol to the drugs, scientists can sneak the drugs into the parasites where they can deliver their deadly impact. Over a quarter of Australians aged 50 and older use cholesterol-lowering medications to prevent heart disease and strokes, but cholesterol is also essential for our survival. Scientists from the Australian National University suggest that cholesterol's role as fundamental component of life could be the key to treating deadly parasite disease such as malaria. The new Trojan horse technique has the potential to provide more effective and long-lasting treatments for malaria. Additionally, the scientists note that these findings could impact the agriculture sector as parasites that infect and kill livestock can cause significant financial losses for farmers, amounting to millions of dollars. Lead researcher Professor Alex Mayer from ANU stated that Trojan horse method of delivering drugs into parasites is 3 to 25 times more effective at eradicating them than drugs that are not attached to cholesterol. The ANU scientists suggest that this new drug delivery system, which involves attaching drug to cholesterol, could also be effective for treating other diseases such as giardia and intestinal infection that causes diarrhea. Additionally, it may be useful in treating leishmaniasis, a disease affecting the skin, mouth, nose, throat that disproportionately impacts some of the world's poorest population and can be fatal if left untreated. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.